we will discuss how to write a C program to find the sum of the given n integers using an array. The steps to write C program are as shown here. To read the list of all integers and store them in an array. The integers are then added to get the sum. First step is to read n. What's the number of integers? Total number of integers, whether it is 10, 12, 15, 40, like that. Step 2 is loop to read n values of the list. These values are taken through the keyboard. Printf instruction to input the values of the integers, and through the keyboard these values are going to be read. Sum is equated to 0 initialized, and loop to add all values to get sum of those values. Print value of the sum and stop. This is the steps involved in writing the program. Now here we see the program to find sum of n integers. Comment line: include the header files, required header files, or the standard IO header file and console IO header file. Main program starts here. We are declaring the integer variables here. X50, this is the array. So array is declared is here. X50, up to 50 elements can be there in the array. N, the total number of elements in the array. I, iterations. Sum, total value. Addition of all the elements is sum. CLR is here to clear the screen. Printf, how many integers? This is going to be printed on the screen display. Now through the keyboard we are going to take the value of n. Scanf %d ampersand n. So this is going to read. This is to read the n value. How many integers are going to be input by the user. And next comes loop to read n integers. This loop is to read n number of integers. For I equals to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus. I initialized at 0 and I smaller than n. This is the condition. Every iteration I is going to be increment. So here the block of statements to be executed and repeated as long as this one is true. I smaller than n. Printf enter %d th value, first value, enter the first value, enter the second value, enter the third value, enter the fourth value, enter the fifth value, like that. Here it is I plus 1 because I value starts from 0. We have added I plus 1. Scanf %d ampersand xi. So this is what we have done. This is the block of statements to be executed, to be repeated. Loop to read n integers. This is to read n numbers of integers through the keyboard. And here we have initialized the value of sum. Sum is equal to 0. Next comes an important loop to find sum of all integers. Here we see for loop control structure, for I is equal to 0 initial value of I is equal to 0. For I is equal to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus. So here this for loop is similar to this loop that we use to read the n number of integers, and also here we are using the same kind of code here. For I is equal to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus. Here you see, to find the sum of all integers, sum is equal to sum plus xi. Sum we had initialized to 0 here. Sum is equal to sum plus the integer that is being considered in this iteration. Sum is equal to sum plus xi. And this is to be, this statement to be repeated as long as I is smaller than n. So this is going to be repeated, and the final sum is obtained for n number of integers. All the n number of integers are going to be added. Sum is equal to sum plus xi. Next comes the last part of the program. Sum, to print the sum, printf on a new line, sum of all integers is equal to %d sum. So the sum value is going to be printed, and with that we completed writing the program. Get ch to display the results window immediately after running the program. This is the program. So let us check how it works. A Turbo C will open. Yes, shall we open the program? Program is already written. Yes, this is the program. So look at the program which is entered in the C compiling editor. Program to find sum of n integers include the header files, main program, integer x50 we have written here, a higher number, ni sum. Clear the screen, printf how many integers, scanf %d ampersand n. Look to read n integers. For I is equal to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus. Printf, enter the %d, th value, first value, second value, third value, like that. I plus 1. Scanf through the keyboard, we are going to read the value. Sum is equal to 0, initialized. And look to find sum of all integers. For I is equal to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus. Sum is equal to sum plus x of I. Printf sum of all integers, sum, get ch. So let us run the program. How many integers? Let us say it is 6. And now we have to enter the first value. Let it be 23. Enter the second value 12, enter the third value 33, enter the fourth value, let it be 10, enter the fifth value 32, enter the sixth value, let it be 41. Yes, we have completed entering all the 6 integer values. Now pressing enter should give the result, that is sum of all these integers, 151. Sum of all integers is equal to 151. This is how we get the results. So the sum of array elements is obtained in this program. Let us check once again. Run. How many integers? Let it be 3. Quick. Enter the first value 20, second value 30, third value 50. So it should be 100. Sum of all integers is equal to 100. So this is how we write the program and get the sum of all the integer values in an array. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you all.